Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a new goal on the Flip app. So let's start. First open the Flip app. Now tap on the plus icon on bottom right corner and then tap on Goal. Now give your goal a title. Let's say you want to study physics. Select a color if you want to and then tap Next. Now set your goal time. Let's say you want to study for 2.5 hours. Now tap Next again. Now enter a start date and an end date. Now select the days you want to study. And then tap Add. Now tap on Complete and your goal is now added. But you cannot see the goal anywhere here. If you scroll down, it's not here. But your goal is set and it is organized on your calendar. Now to see your goal, tap on 3 dots on bottom right corner and then tap on Calendar. And here you can see your goal. And that's how you can set a new goal on the Flip app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.